乌克兰的总统泽伦斯基人已经到美国，甲川会谈。照川会后的回应，伊是暂时说服泽伦斯基按照目前交战的精线来停火，也就是乌克兰无法度把失去的土地摕倒转来。也若是乌克兰是希望美国会当提供政府飞弹，美国犹原无答应。
乌克兰总统泽伦斯基搁再到北京会见美国总统川普，双方无前一摆会面时遐尼互不相让，会谈的气氛袂歹。会谈前包含乌克兰方面甲背后支持的欧洲国家拢真期待，川普的同意运交这个舰舶生意飞弹予乌克兰，互乌克兰会使亲自打击罗西亚战略要地。不过，川普的答案明显甲外界期待差真多。
Would much rather have them not need tomahawks. Would much rather have the war be over. To be honest, because we're in it to get the war over.
会后，第六记者询问泽伦斯基也知讲，即摆伫武器方面可能会空手转去。
We decided that we don't speak about it because nobody wants, this United States doesn't want escalation and etc. So this we will be out of the questions about it.
另外，伫罗西亚甲乌克兰双方停战问题上，川普政府维持原本立场，也就是无啥可能互乌克兰完全收回开战3年外来罗西亚所攻占并且实际所控制土地。
In my opinion, they should stop the war immediately. You go by the battle line wherever it is, otherwise it's too complicated. You'll never be able to figure it out.
I think we have to stop where we are, and he is right. President is right that we have to stop where we are.
根据美国哈佛大学甘乃迪学院所成立2005年10月中上新的罗西亚甲乌克兰交战精线土地，设置较深的代表开战进程由罗西亚控制克里米亚，也有卢汉斯克甲顿内茨克接属地区，浅是代表开战3年外来罗西亚所摕落的部分，包含卢汉斯克全部甲顿内茨克、扎波罗热，也有赫尔松的大部分领域。其中，乌克兰军队伫顿内茨克主要重要据点波克罗夫斯克已经互罗西亚3面包围起来了。 公视新闻，徐嘉玲编译。